Well, almost fall. Glenn makes fun of me because it's just, we're going into September. And I'm like, it's fall. I'm decorating for fall. So, put all my fall decorations out. These scarecrows need some makeovers. The pumpkins, they're hollow. Some little candy corn lights. These pots is old, so I'm going to put them in here. And yeah, this is what everything looks like so far. Let's see how well I can restore it to get another year out of it. Mr. Gray Gray. Mr. Gray Gray. Oh, I got full on sweat, guys. Oh, okay. Here is my pumpkins and my little scarecrow family. I gotta do something with the top up here. And this is just me getting my decorations out. And I got fall wreath on the door. But I am too hot. It is not fall. I lied. It is not fall. It's so hot. Look how pretty these flowers look. And they are real. Look so pretty. Oh, I'm just happy to dig these out. Now I can replant them. I can replant my scarecrows and replant my fake flowers, my fake pumpkins. That's got a lot to do, but this is the start of pouring it out, and then I'll decorate once I get the rest of it pulled out of the building. So I did mix these. I don't know if I like them or not yet. And I stuck that in there. I don't know if I like that or not yet. And I still got a lot of work to do on my wreath, but it's temporarily. We're getting a start. It started. It needs to be on this side. She can't pick it up. I can't pick it up. Can you put on that side of her, Glenn?
That's good you left the stuff on it.
Yeah, I'm glad he did that. That looks good, Glenn.
Yeah, it's got them little ones too. Like.
Ow! I need to wash it all.
I told you it's spiny.
Oh, that's cute.
Got little thorns on it.
Oh, you could put some of them right there in that. Do it. Here, I minute. Let me show you. And outside, I'm trying to look at this harvest moon. I can see it way back. You can see it. You can see it between trees. I forgot to use my phone as a light to walk down here in the weeds in the middle of the night because I want to see this moon. Oh, I can see it. You can see it a little bit. Oh, maybe. What the heck is this? Something growing in there. Oh, that's my pipes and stuff I had out. Oh, yes, you can see it. Can you see it? That's the harvest moon. It's so pretty. So pretty. Now that right there, that one, the small one, that's not it. It's this one right here. Wish I had a really pretty camera. Or pretty camera. I wish I had a really pretty view of it. Like I do in person, but recording it's not the same. Let me see. I'm gonna stop recording and see if I can get some pictures. Nope. Mr. Gray, you found me! You found me, Mr. Gray! Let's go this way. We gotta get our grass cut. Oh, I hear it. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Oh, here at nighttime. Oh my gosh. Come on, Mr. Gray. Do not need to be out here at nighttime looking at this moon. Come on, Mr. Gray. We had to move his doghouse here because he keeps scratching the top of it. Look. He keeps tearing the heck out of it, sharpening his claws. You can tell it is Almost Halloween. Look at the cobwebs. We got natural ones. Tell me, Mr. Gray, we got natural ones. Look how pretty our mums are. So pretty. Aren't they, Mr. Gray? Aren't they, Mr. Gray? Look how beautiful these look. Those mums are so beautiful. Gobble, gobble, gobble. And these guys are turning too. Look at that big pumpkin. Well, I have a shopping haul, and I went to Dollar Tree, to Walmart, to Dollar General, and to Kroger. So I'm going to show you guys what all I got. First, before we get into this haul, I'm going to show you, so this is my area right here when you first come in the door, and I need to decorate this for fall. So this is the before, and I'm going to show you the after. So let's get right into this haul. Okay, so this is my Dollar General and Dollar Tree haul that I got. So let's start out over here. I got some bath bombs for $1 I'm going to try out. Got this cute little makeup bag. I thought it'd be so cute for like a stocking stuffer. Yes, I am already starting my Christmas shopping because I get these little things and I put them in stockings. I got this. How cute is this? It goes with that. And then I got this cute little ring holder. It's a cat. How cute. And then I thought these was adorable. They're little lip glosses, like little diamonds. These are not the cutest little things ever. I got a pink one as well. Let me show you that one. It's pink. This came from actually Kroger's. I used these bulbs and my candle holder there. I don't know why I'm shaking, guys. I'm sorry. And then I got some nail polish for a stocking stuffer. I'm already starting my Christmas shopping. Is that crazy? And then this cute little dream stone. How cute is that? And then I got these at Dollar General. Storage bags for my meal prep. Garbage bags. I always use these kinds of garbage bags. I love them. I think I got them on sale at Walmart for like $4 and it was originally like $5.50. So use your digital coupons at Dollar General and you'll save money. I got these on sale. I think I saved like $1 on those. Oh my goodness, this wrinkle release is amazing. And it is from Dollar General and it is $2 and I get 2 of those. And they really do take out wrinkles. Like you don't even have to iron your clothes. You just spray this on them, shake them, and the wrinkles come right out. Love them. And then of course I got these at Dollar Tree. My aluminum foil and plastic wrap. So give y'all a quick glimpse of everything I got from there. Moving on to the fall decorations. Got some corn for tonight's dinner. We're having surf and turf. Okay, so these is my fall decorations. For some reason this floor is so squeaky right here. So here's everything I got. I got these at Dollar Tree, $1 a piece. This was $1, this was $1. This was at Walmart. I paid $2 for this and $2 for this. I got the caramel apple spice, and then the pumpkin marshmallow cream, and then the warm fall leaves, and the pumpkin sugar. I got those at Walmart as well for $3.33 a piece. Got this at Dollar General for $5. Got these at Dollar General, tablecloths for $1. And then this pan here, $1 at Dollar Tree. And then the vase, $1, Dollar Tree. Cute little trick or treat, $1, Dollar Tree. Cute little eat, drink, and beast carry, $1. And a little scarecrow, $1. And then this beware sign, $1. And then this jello mold, $1. So that is my fall little shopping haul from Dollar Tree and Dollar General and Walmart. Okay guys, so here is the after Look how cute. I have my dishwasher going, so sorry. But yes, this is my after. A little fall decoration when we first come in. Some fall pumpkins, a little tablecloth, some little treats. I'm going to add some more later. And then a little vase, trick or treat, eat, drink, and be spooky. And then my warm fall leaves. And I have the pumpkin sugar going now. And then the beware sign. How cute. So Glenn and I went last night and we got corn stalks. I'm thinking about putting one here and one here, but then I don't know, because I really want to put one right there at that light post, but we also have a light post there, so I don't know. I think I want to put them on these two here close to the house. And it is so hot outside. It's like 90 some degrees, and I'm decorating for fall. Come on. And there's my little kitty. So let's see what I end up coming up with. I still gotta get ribbon. I don't have ribbon. I gotta go to the dollar store and get ribbon, but this is, let's see what I come up with. So I decided to put them right here, one at the house, and then one right here. But the tops get hot because they're lights, and the bulb's not LED, so I need to adjust them. You see how tall they are. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so I went with the little scarecrows inside, and I added some Christmas decorations. You can't even tell they're Christmas decorations. And I cut the tops of them so that the light bulbs would not interfere with them. That's one of them. And then the second one is right here. So cute. That's what they look like, guys. Here, I'll give you. I've got to get rid of that bush there. It's all dead. And I got a lot of yard work to do, but Mr. Gray, you enjoying it? So pretty. What are you doing?